Hi everyone, it's Carbold here, Director of B2B Sales at Connect Distribution. I'm here today to give you a virtual tour of our brand new app. We've created the Connect Distribution app to support independent businesses like yours more easily than ever before. Now you can log into your account and access our shop through your mobile phone or your tablet, wherever and whenever you like. The app also keeps you up to date with our latest promotions and notifies you of exclusive deals and products from our brand partners, and allows you to access our live chat directly, so our customer service agents are only a touch away. Let's begin with where you can find the app. If you head onto the App Store on your mobile or tablet and type Connect Distribution into the search bar, our app will be one of the first to show up and looks like this. Simply tap the Get or Install button, confirm the download, and the app will install straight onto your device. Once the download is complete, you'll be able to find it on your home screen alongside your other apps. When you tap on the app to open it, you'll be taken to the home menu. This will contain 6 different options, which we'll run through one by one so you can familiarise yourself with them. Remember that for many of these services, you'll need to log into your account, so make sure you have your login details at the ready. First, let's take a look at Shop Online. After entering your login details, the Shop Online section will take you to our online trade store. From here, you can browse and buy products in the same way as usual. Simply click on the drop-down menu to the left of the screen and all of our product categories will pop up. As you click your way through the following menus, you should be able to easily find the products you're looking for. Or simply type what you need into the search bar at the top of the page and tap Search. Once you've added everything to your basket, you can go ahead and place your order. Next, we have the My Account option. Clicking on this will take you to your account information, where you'll be able to see your account details, track orders, view your draft orders, check invoices, and more. If there's anything in particular that you're looking for that you can't find, you can also use this section of the app to submit a part number inquiry. At the top right of the home screen, we have the live chat icon. To chat to us in real time, simply tap on this option, then enter your name and select the inquiry that best suits your needs from the drop-down menu. Click Start Chat and you'll be connected to our customer service team. When agents are online, a Click to Chat option will also appear in the bottom corner of your screen while you shop. Another benefit of our app is getting easy access to publications, so you never miss a special offer or promotion. The Zone section lets you access our regular and seasonal updates. Catalogues takes you to the most recent edition of our biannual catalogue, and Brand Partnerships shows you dedicated ranges from our exclusive brand partners. It's easy to switch between these 3 sections. When you enter any one of them, a menu will pop up in the top corner. Select a different option from the drop-down menu to navigate between different publications. Once you've found what you're looking for, you can either view the publication on screen by clicking Open, then Open Live, or download the brochure by clicking Open, then Download. Your past downloads can be viewed at any time by clicking the 3 lines at the top left of the screen and choosing Downloads. On an iPhone, you will simply need to click to open your required brochure and click Download. A My Downloads tab will then appear at the bottom of the screen where you can view all of your downloaded material. If you need to return to the home page at any time, you can click the 3 lines in the left-hand corner where you can also navigate to the catalogues section or choose Help for further information about app navigation and adjust settings so you can find your way around the app with ease. For iPhones, this can be done by simply clicking the back button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. The Home, Catalogues, Help and Downloads icons can then be found at the bottom of the screen. And that's our brand new Connect Distribution app in a nutshell. We hope this helps you to manage your business more easily and conveniently than ever before. As always, if you have any feedback, please do get in touch and let us know where we can improve. Thanks for taking the time to watch this virtual tour, and we look forward to doing business with you through our app in the future.